We are going to be holding what we're calling a digital event. We're calling it Level Up. And it's going to be this 4 hour long digital event that we're going to be running a couple of times on October 5th. The event itself is just to help everybody level up their office communication with images and videos. We're going to be talking about when you can be using images and videos, why you should be using images and videos. And then, of course, if you're going to be coming to an event like this and investing this kind of time with us, we want you to walk away knowing how you can be using images and videos. So we're going to cover all of those things. We've got a bunch of great experts that are coming to speak. And what makes this different than other kinds of webinars and stuff is, as Matt mentioned, it's interactive. We're going to have some opportunities for you to participate, talk to us, ask us questions, share some of your knowledge. So yeah, it's going to be a fun event, and we're really excited for it.
Yeah, I am so excited, and I love our theme, this level up, because it's something here. Anyone that's listened to the show, I usually close with telling people to level up, so it's right hitting home in a sweet spot. But Ryan, I want to talk about this. Let's talk about the focus of this event, because I think I want to make sure people understand going in what to really expect, because we have lots of offerings for people to learn how to do things. We've got our webinar series with our customer education team. We've got lots of tutorials. We've obviously got the visual lounge. We've got all these things. So from a high level, if I was interested in this event and I go to it, what kind of things would I expect to be learning about? And you mentioned kind of office communication, but can we define that a little bit maybe?
Yeah, so office communication is definitely evolving, right? Especially with the pandemic. We've got people who are working remote. We've got office teams that are still maybe in your traditional sense, everybody in the office. There's people who are hybrid, maybe they're in the office a few days a week. And then there's teams that are hybrid. They've got people in the office, out of the office. And so how we communicate is going to really determine the success of these different office setups. And so this event, we're really looking at how we can help you be more successful with that communication. Of course, we've always relied on email. We've always relied on meetings, and those aren't going anywhere. You're going to keep having meetings. You're going to keep sending emails, but we want to give you extra tools to really help you with these new team setups that we're experiencing, and how you can be more efficient and communicate more clearly. Because, after your 10th email before 9 a.m., you're looking for a different way to get information. And so that's kind of the stuff we're going to dive into.